Hey everybody, Frugal Farmer here. I've got the water can sprayed down and this nozzle was not attached to it. It broke somehow, whatever, but I want to take care of that. And I decided to try a little something. I've seen people do it on YouTube, and there was rust on the spout. I didn't know if that was interfering with the little holes on the other side that it has. But I hadn't had it in here but just a few minutes, and all that's off of there is rust. I'm going to take and lightly wire brush it. Once I'm going to let it soak till tomorrow, probably, maybe a few more days, and see how it does. But it's doing pretty good to me, and I'm going to paint it, but I'm going to paint it by itself, and instead of having it attached, because I'd have to tape up and stuff. I don't want to waste a bunch of tape because I've got to figure out how to attach this back on and get it at an angle where it'll stay. Maybe have to tape that to it, and I'll put the JB weld on it. But I'll get it figured out. Well, this is just amazing to me. Look at that. All that stuff is rust. It's just come off this thing. And so let me know the colors, and because it'll be getting painted pretty soon. I'll be choosing them if y'all don't. Thanks for stopping by. Come back again when you will. Share, comment, like, hit that subscribe button. God bless.